Class 10th, Theorem 6.1. A famous Greek mathematician, Thales gave an important theorem, basic proportionality theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Given we are given a triangle ABC in which a line parallel to side BC and intersect other two sides AB and AC at D and E respectively. Here triangle ABC D is parallel to BC meet here BE meet and DC meet. NE is the perpendicular to AD and DM perpendicular to here DE BC parallel line ABC triangle BE me. Let us construct here, let us join BE and CD and drawn DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB triangle. Here solve triangle ABC, area ADE or area DBE half base into height. Half base into height. Here ADE base is AD height is NE upon half same base is BD and height is NE. किसी भी ट्रायंगल में अगर हमारा DB को बेस मानकर हाइट NE लिया जाए तो एरिया हमारा DBE का एरिया ईजिली फाइंड हो जाता है. इसी प्रकार एरिया ADE का हमें फाइंड करने के लिए हाफ बेस अगर हमारा AD और NE हमारी हाइट है तो हमारा एरिया ईजिली आ जाएगा. सो हेयर हाफ से हाफ हमारा कैंसिल हो गया, NE से NE कैंसिल हो गया. सो हमें वी गेट AD अपॉन BD. अगेन एरिया AD E अपॉन एरिया DEC हाफ बेस इंटू हाइट. हाफ base into height. Here base half base is AE and height is DM half. Here base AE height is DM, base is EC, height is DM. Base is EC, height is DM, height is DM. So half cancel, dm cancel, AE upon EC. Equation first, equation second, we get equation 1 and 2 AD oblique में BD और AE oblique में EC. Hence proof AD upon BD और AE upon EC. दोबारा रिपीट. Theorem 611. Famous Greek mathematician Thales, a famous Greek mathematician Thales gave an important theorem, basic proportionality theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle, intersect other two sides. अदर टू साइड इंटरसेक्ट करता है, BC के पैरेलल DE है, अदर साइड डिवाइड सेम रेशियो. We are given a triangle ABC in which a line parallel BC parallel DE intersect other two sides AB and AC. AB touch point D on AC point E. Proof here AD by DB AE EC. Construct. Let us join BE को मीट कराया एंड CD को मीट कराया. DM is perpendicular to AC, DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AD. EN perpendicular to AD. Here triangle again, we look here, ABC triangle, area ADE upon area DBE, half base into height. Half AD is a base, height AD is a base, height is NE, and again DB is a base, height is NE, half cancel, NE cancel, AD by BD. Again we use ADE or DEC, half base into height. Here base is AE, DM is a height, and again base is EC and DM is a height. Half cancel, DM cancel, AE upon EC. We get equation 1 and 2, AD upon BD and AE upon EC. There's theorem, hence it's proved. Example first. If a line intersect side AB and AC of triangle ABC at D and E respectively, and is P parallel to BC. Proof AD by AB, AE by AC. Here triangle A, B, C, D and E. Solution DE parallel to BC. Here AD, DB and AE, EC. हम इसका अपोजिट करेंगे तो DB अपॉन AD और EC अपॉन AE, बोथ साइड ऐड 1 DB अपॉन AD प्लस 1 EC अपॉन AE प्लस 1. So DB plus AD, here AD and EC plus AE upon AE. Here D is common. AC, AE opposite to this, we get AD oblique AB and AC. Here AC upon AD upon AB, AE upon AC. This theorem is and थेल्स थ्योरम जैसे हमें ट्रायंगल को प्रोपोर्शनल में डिवाइड कराती है, उसी प्रकार ये भी हमें AD अपॉन AB लेना है और AE अपॉन AC लेना है. AD अपॉन AB और AE अपॉन AC टू प्रूफ करना था हमारे को. DE अपॉन BC, जो DE पैरेलल टू BC है. AD upon DB, AE upon EC. Here opposite the fraction number opposite BD upon AD, EC upon AE, adding both side 1 DB AD plus 1 EC AE upon plus 1. Here DB AD AD EC AE. Here D is common, so AB upon AD, AC upon AE and again opposite, so we get AD upon AB, AE upon AC. इस तरह से हमने इस थ्योरम को आसानी से प्रूफ कर दिया. थ्योरम एग्जाम्पल 1 और थेल्स थ्योरम को हमने आसानी से समझा.